Now I want to share with you my very quick and easy way to make cast iron pizza using our sourdough pizza crust. So let's get started. You are going to love this recipe. Consider using this cast iron method a convenience food and a food for on the go, because you really don't have to pre-plan too much. I just took the dough out of the refrigerator, so it's been in there since we made the wood-fired pizzas a couple of days ago, and I wanted to show you this right quick. I made mozzarella, and it looks a little different than most mozzarella, but I keep mine down in a brine. But anyway, we're going to use this fresh mozzarella on our pizza, and a little bit of this Parmesan was made about a year ago, and we're going to sprinkle a little bit of that on the pizza. So let's get started and I'll show you how to make it. Please watch our video on our simple homemade pizza dough recipe to find out how to make this pizza dough. The first thing you want to do when you're getting ready to make your cast iron pizza is you want to go ahead and preheat your cast iron. Today we're going to use this flat like pizza skillet, but use any kind of cast iron skillet that you have. Any of them work fine, even the larger ones. Your choice, just use what you have. The first thing you want to do is weigh your dough. I use 8 ounces of dough per pizza, and I just have a little scale, very inexpensive, super easy. You also can divide this pizza dough recipe into 4 pieces and refer back to the video on how to shape your pizza dough. I usually do it by hand, but while you're learning, you can definitely use a rolling pin. I'm going to use this pizza peel, but you could just roll this out right near your cast iron and just throw it right on the pan. Okay, we're going to roll our pizza dough out on the countertop right beside the warming cast iron skillet, and we're going to shape this by hand a little bit. And as you can see, I told you in the other video about pizza dough, is when you use a rolling pin, it toughens and develops the gluten, so you're going to have to work with it a lot more, as you can see. Okay, you want to add a little bit of olive oil to the hot cast iron pan, and then just put the pizza dough right on top of the hot skillet. And if you need to, make some adjustments, just use your spatula. You need to check, the bottom, and when you start seeing it done, sprinkle over olive oil and flip it, just like a giant tortilla. And then you can go ahead and turn off the burner and start putting on your toppings. I use 1/3 cup of tomato sauce on my pizzas. And this is a pizza margherita. That's our favorite pizza. But as you can see, this just takes 5 or 6 minutes. I keep dough in the refrigerator, and when my children come by, or when they come, at school, they'll come home for lunch. This literally takes 5 minutes. So you want to, carefully put the hot cast iron in the oven, and then you're going to turn the broiler on. And it might only take 2 to 3 minutes, so you just want to stand there and watch. But your dough was cooked, from flipping it on the stovetop. You got your browning, and so there you have it, the perfect on-the-go convenience food. That's almost easier than frozen pizza from the supermarket. Our cast iron pizza made with homemade sourdough pizza crust looks delicious, and it was so fast and easy. I hope that you will add this recipe to your rotation of on-the-go food for your family, and I hope you'll subscribe to our channel for more on farmstead living and easy recipes. From our Texas Hill Country farmstead to you, have a blessed day, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.